Hi, this is Mike from Canvas GFX with another quick video about Canvas Envision. In a previous video we showed you this document which was viewed through our online viewer, which allows you to, through any browser on any device, actually pop this embedded 3D model here out of the document and interact with it. So you can turn it around, you can view it from all angles, you can change the type of rendering, you can hide or isolate and ghost certain parts. I just want to show you how easy it is to put this document together. So we're going to keep that one visible in the window pane here, and I'm just going to recreate it. So the first thing we are going to do is drop that little background rectangle on there, that big I think it was. Going to change the colour, get rid of the outline, and we're just going to use the snap grids to make sure it's in the middle. Bang. Next up, we want the Canvas Envision logo that we used for a bit of branding. Shrink that down to the right size and then pop it up in the corner. Nice. We then added a text box, right, for the EV drone. EV drone. We need to make that text nice and big. We're going to change it to Sophia Pro. We're going to take it to 72. Let's take it even bigger. Let's make that 85. Okay. The color of the text was different, so we are going to use, I think we used the canvas yellow and the canvas blue. There we go. We just need to align that nicely there. Okay, then we had a few images to go in. First one of which was these. Customer quote from one of our customers that in fact makes drones, not these kind of drones, but fascinating customer. And they said to us that they had been able to find no competitor for what we're doing, and that using Envision is unlocking an unbelievable amount of power for them. So I'm just going to go to image and I'm going to make white transparent so that that sits there. A couple more images to put in. I had one of these 3 drones. Selection confusion. Let's get that over here. And then we will send it back. So we can add one other image, which is this drone's eye cityscape view, and we'll drop that in the corner. So here we have pretty much everything that we need. Now I'm just going to drop in the most important thing, 3D model. I've pasted it in. Ordinarily what you would use is insert 3D model, and here you can see it recognises the recent file. If you click that button, otherwise it will pull up an import box that will show you automatically all of the 3D files that you have on your native computer. Now you can move this around just like any object to get the position that you want. We want to put it about here. And then, although really this requires a separate video on its own, I just want to show you very quickly that you can then actually do a lot more in terms of creating visualization. So keeping the document in the background, we can use this rotation cube interface here to turn it around and get exactly the view that we want. And right along here we also have the ability to explode it and to change the views and all sorts of stuff, but that's really a separate video, so I'm going to leave that for now. We've got that, just hit exit and we're back in the standard page editing mode. Now we had this button over here that was a call to action to come and visit our website, so I'm going to use the draw tool again to put that circle in there. This is now getting in the way of it, so I'm just going to move it over here. Let's get that exactly where we want it and change the colour to that and get rid of the outline again, and then we'll put some text in. Click here to bookings and move that team. And we will just change the font, make it a bit bigger, let's say 18, how does that look? Looks good, and we will make that white to stand out. Now, the only other thing we need to do with that is we need to insert the link. Let's go to Insert, Hyperlink, paste in the link, which is the book a meeting page on the Canvas website, and there you have it. That thing now, when viewed online, you'll just be able to click that and it'll take it straight to your website or wherever you want it to go. I think we had one other bit of text. I'm just going to drop another text box in here, and I am just going to be a little bit lazy quickly. Yeah, I'm going to go back to this text box here. I'm going to copy that over there. Okay, let's just get that exactly where we want it. Let's line those two things up a little bit more so it's neater. Perfect. And there you go. There is the EV document. I think it took me about 5 minutes to create, and then once shared, your audience can view that and interact with it live through our web viewer. Thank you very much.